Jamaica, the brand on the lips of the world, friendly faces, exciting places, rich culture, salubrious climate, great food, blue mountains and white sand beaches intertwined with modern amenities and infrastructure creates a quality of life that's unsurpassed as a location for doing the business of global logistics. And the next big thing in the global supply chain, Jamaica is the future home of the fourth global logistics hub, an integral part of the global trading system, facilitating global logistics. That is the movement of goods, persons, and data around the world. It will complement and complete the global supply chain and operate on the scale of the existing hubs, Rotterdam, Singapore, and Dubai. Logistics services have always existed to get products from producer to consumers. The difference today is that producers and consumers are dispersed across the globe. The continuing evolution of international trade has resulted in noticeable shifts in the major maritime and aviation trade corridors. The expansion of the Panama Canal in 2015 will lead to substantial redeployment of maritime traffic. Jamaica, with its prime geostrategic location, sits at the doorway of the Panama Canal, at the convergence of global trade corridors with easy air and sea access to major markets. The Jamaica Logistics Hub initiative will be an ideal location for global commerce and is attracting a wide range of producers and distributors from different countries, which will derive considerable benefits from enhanced logistics services. Jamaica gives global businesses easy access to an 800 million person market in the Americas with reduced delivery times, which enhances global trade. A global asset serving a global economy. Whether your businesses have in-house or outsourced logistics services, we invite you to leverage the speed and connectivity of Jamaica's logistics hub to get products to market quickly and grow your business. In addition, the expedited shipment of goods will result in reduced cost for your company and the end user. In addition to the existing infrastructure, new special economic zones, free zones, and logistics parks are being established with competitive tax regime options. This will provide a conducive business and living environment with easy access to North, Central, and South American markets. The ultimate aim of Jamaica's Logistics Hub initiative is to cluster global third-party logistics providers along with some of the largest global businesses. These industrial clusters, consisting of large, medium, and small enterprises, will operate from special economic zones and industrial parks spread across the country. For the manufacturer, the hub provides an opportunity for assembly and other value-added processes. Manufacturers and third-party logistics providers alike will utilize the world's leading airlines and shipping lines operating from world-class ports and airports, thereby allowing sea-to-sea, sea-to-air, and air-to-air connectivity to global markets. Jamaica is also well integrated into global telecommunication networks and boasts the only 3-tier data center in the region, facilitating digital processing and quality management systems. Tremendous opportunities await your business. The Jamaica Logistics Hub is ready to help you move products, people, services, and data into growing markets. A great place to do business, a great place to live, a great place to raise families. The third largest English-speaking country in the Western Hemisphere, with a well-trained workforce and a legislative and policy framework which support the business environment.
The Logistics Hub initiative will transform the Jamaican economy and further integrate Jamaica into the global economy. The hub means wealth creation, jobs and business opportunities for our country. Every Jamaican stands to benefit. That means you, your children, and your community.
The Jamaica Logistics Hub, ready to efficiently take your business to new and existing markets with the power of speed and connectivity. Jamaica is ready. Are you?